Lately, I've become a little bit of a junkie when it comes to these vacuum seal bags. I really like them. I think these are probably one of those products that once you use it, you're like, how did I ever live without that? But these are really great. You're just gonna pull the zipper. You do gotta give it a little bit of a tug because it's a little bit tighter seal. Okay, so you can see we've got this full, so let's go ahead and seal it up. I'm just gonna set it on here. Watch this. Okay, and it'll just attach itself. It's gonna hang right on there. And you can see, bring it up close to you. Starting to kind of take the air out. As it's working, you can kind of push down on your clothes a little bit to flatten them out. Our clothes down. We were about that high before, right? About double. So I'd say this took everything down about 40 to 50%. And it's just like a brick of dense clothing in like volume. So it's definitely saving you space, which I'm a big fan of. I'm loving the way that these look and feel. This is a very high quality bag. When you get to your location, all you have to do is just pull the zipper. There we go. And look. It's already coming back to life. And then, yeah, you've got access to the bag. Take out what you need. And then, yeah, you can always just seal it back up. It takes just a second. But if you're going camping, if you're going anywhere, these little nozzles to do inflating, like tubes and inner tubes, inflatables, pull toys, air mattresses, this is going to be invaluable for you if you're on any kind of vacation or just having this around the house. If the kiddos have a sleepover and you need an air mattress, or if you're traveling and you have an air mattress, this is going to work perfect for that. So this is the Volley C. You get a 2-pack. You get the little nano pump. It's very powerful. I love this thing. I think it's great. I like the color. So if you want to save space, you want to protect your clothes, definitely pick it up. It works great. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.